Let's go. Let's start moving. Just walking 10-minute at-home walking workout. Real low impact today. We're just going to honor these bodies. Move nice and easy just to get the blood flowing. Boost our energy. Elevate our mood. You know. Let's go. Let's start twisting. Real simple exercises. Things we've done before. Today is going to get very philosophical. I have an amazing story to share. Let's just move, be so present, appreciate these bodies. Hopefully this will encourage us to move more throughout our day, get just a little bit more physical activity, a little stronger, a little more mobile, a lot happier. Let's go. Just gentle twist. Just reach a bit. Get the back nice and warm, loosened up for the day. Okay. My favorite, you know it. Let's just reach it out with a nice, gentle step jack. I was listening to a palliative care doctor. Somebody who works in a hospice. So somebody who works with people that are dying, deals with death every day. And the way he saw things was just beautiful. Not to be afraid of death. Talking about if we weren't going to die, we'd get nothing done. It's probably pretty true, right? He was talking about the body. When the people from the funeral home would come and take the body and have this celebration, they'd leave flower petals down for the body as it left. It made me think, like, who knows what happens, but what if I was above my body? My spirit, my soul, if that's what happens, was watching my body leave. I started to think, have I been grateful enough? Have I thanked my body for all the places it's taken me, for all the steps I've taken, for all the movements, for all the sports I've been able to play, for all the hugs I've been able to give? Just keep moving with me. I think maybe not. Maybe I'm not thankful enough to this body. We talk about movement being a gift, a pleasure, a privilege. Do we honor it? Be thankful for every movement we're allowed to take. Okay. Let's bring a nice, mindful march. I got chills thinking about it. It was just like, wow, how fortunate. My body doesn't work like it used to. I can't throw a ball anymore. My shoulder just doesn't allow it. That's okay. Things change. But there was a time I can remember playing baseball, throwing a player out at the plate. How good that felt. How grateful am I now to have had that experience. Certainly didn't appreciate it in the moment. Just the feeling right now. Oh, the mobility. And maybe your mobility is limited. Maybe you're carrying a little bit extra weight. That's all right. You're here right now. You've shown up again. You're gonna get there. Maybe you just increase the range of motion just a little bit. But honor it, no matter where you're at. Honor the desire to improve, to get a little bit more mobile, a little stronger. Picture yourself, yeah, I am strong. I'm going to continue to get stronger. Just moving laterally too. I had something planned for today, and then I watched that. And that plan went out the window. I was just too excited, too impacted, and truly just wanting to take this session to be in such reverence. Skater. Real, steady movement. Just find a nice flow. What works for you? Just go with it. Slow things down to just feel every movement. If something creaks and there's a bit of pain, honor that too. Hey, that's just where I'm at. The universe has decided that this is the test for me. To be thankful. My arms, every time my hand has brought incredible food into my body. How lucky I am for that. Start thinking differently about the way we eat. Really, does the food you're consuming, does it nourish you? Or does it deplete you? Having a snack from time to time. Heck yeah. Enjoy some treats. What we do most of the time matters. Taking in things that really honor this incredible human experience in this body that we're blessed to have and be able to move. You'll have to forgive me for the philosophy today. I couldn't help myself. All right. Oh, the lower back. It can be problematic for so many of us. That's just a nice bend. Back bend. Bend down. Bend your knees. Just nice and slow. I removed my lower back pain through diet. You struggle. And for me, it's just for me. I've heard of lots of other people though. It was the giving up of dairy. No cheese, no cow's milk, things like that. 3 days into it. And it was remarkable difference. It's been nearly 15 years now. And my lower back is just a 9 out of 10. Whereas for so long it was maybe a 2. Lots of movement definitely helps. But it was just noticing from what worked for me. That might not be for everybody. But notice what works best for you. Be so mindful, so in tune with your body. So present that you get the most out of it. We're only here for a short time. Let's use these bodies wisely as often as we can and honor them. A couple more. Ooh, how's that? Let's go for, pardon me, nice brisk walk. Get out and walk today. Get out in nature. No matter where it is. Breathe that fresh air. 5 minutes, 10 minutes. Just be. No phone. Go with somebody else if possible. Come on, use those arms. This whole challenge has really made me so much more grateful. Like just now, I'm noticing the swinging of my arms. How good that feels. The wind blowing against my arms. I said, I've limited movement now. Yeah. Oh well, what can I do? Focus on things I can do. I'm still blessed. Regardless if there's some limited mobility. Let's move. Okay. Shake, shake, shake. Just a double tap. We can engage the core here. We can still focus on getting stronger, building our balance, mobility, being grateful at the same time. I really do. Functional fitness. This is just about making those simple, mundane things that we do throughout our day easier. We can do it with more ease. Maybe we'll learn to count. I'll get there. Really engage your core here. Feel it. Building great strength. Stability. Oh, yeah. Couple more. Yes. Bit of a high knee with a twist. Just finish it off like this. Nice and steady. Real easy. Yeah. You've made it this far. Share your progress with me. Job done. We'll see how many people made it through me philosophizing the entire session. Hope it inspires you just to move more. That's it for today. Nicely done. Let's just take a minute. Take all that in. Just be for a moment. You just pay attention to the sounds of your environment. Just sound rather than noise. Just let it pass right through you. Oh, well done. I want to leave you with this quote that I found I'd written about 15 years ago in one of my journals. Life is not a journey to the grave with the intention of arriving safely in a well-preserved body, but rather to slide in sideways, thoroughly used up, totally worn out, and proclaiming, wow, what a ride. See you tomorrow.